Hi, today in front of me NOKIA G60 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's open the Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. After that, click here to the settings and tap to voice section. Then click to the voice match and here you will see Hey Google switcher. Tap here once. Now click here to next, read this description and tap to I agree. Click continue and after that let's tap to not now. Now we can see that the Hey Google option is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.